Hey guys, it's your girl Charlene FX again, and I'm back with another quick video breakdown for you today during this NFP week. It's the start of June, start of a fresh month, start of a fresh week. NFP week, a little bit crazy, right? I haven't been taking too many setups this week because of NFP week, but I'm looking forward to next week and the weeks after that. Also, FX Summit coming up. Hope to see you guys there next week. All right. So didn't take too many setups on US30 or any setups that much really this week. I've only taken gold and US30 this week. Missed a couple setups, but that's okay. We had a lot of red folders, so I don't want to press my luck. All right. So before we get into this quick trade that I took on US30, what was it, Tuesday or Wednesday this week? Let's quickly get into the question that I get all the time. Real quick, let's turn that off. Yes, I do set alerts on my trades, guys. All right. All right. So question I get all the time, Charlene, who's your broker? Who's your broker? We've been trying so hard to get you guys with the right brokers, because there's a lot of talk in the industry now about who's the right broker to go with. Should you go with this broker, with that broker? Should you go regulated? Should you use MT4, MT5? It's just always been the talk of the industry. And my broker, guys, is HANKOTRADE. I stay out of all the noise. I stay away from, all the drama surrounding brokers now. I keep it simple, and I am going to stay with my broker until I have a reason not to. All right. I've been using them now for over 4 years. I have no issues with them at all. They're on MT4 and MT5. Not that I really use MT4 too much anymore. Still do on occasion, because I've always, I had an account with them on MT4 first, but at the end of the day, they're on MT4 and MT5. Okay, they offer all of the pairs that I trade, but they also offer commodities, indices, and crypto as well, for those of you that like to trade on the weekends. All right, they have a 4.9 score on Trustpilot, and they give you live customer support 24/7 if you should ever need it. The type of account that I have, guys, is an ECN account. I use ECN, and my spread is 1 to 500. So for those of you that are not sure what type of I'm sorry, not spread, but leverage is 1 to 500. So those of you that are not sure what type of leverage you want to use, that's the one I use. That's pretty much industry standard. So that's where you want to go in terms of that. All right. So if you guys want to use a trusted broker, the one that I go with, the one that I have been partnered with for 4 years now, have zero issues with them. Use the link in the description box of this video, and you'll also be entered into live random giveaways, cash giveaways, account giveaways, all kind of stuff that we do. I actually have a major giveaway that I'm coming up with in the next few weeks. It's going to be a major one. So if you want to be entered into that, go ahead and get yourself a live account and get yourself going, and use my YouTube videos. Use the knowledge that I give you guys on these videos to help you guys succeed with your trading accounts. All right, guys. So go with an ECN account. Very small spreads, very small commissions, excellent customer service, trusted broker. And if you don't take my word for it, ask around, and you'll hear the very same thing. All right, guys, so let's get into this breakdown real quick. So this was a sell that I took on US30, and I believe I took this during New York session. Yes, because I was up super early during New York, and I was looking for what was I looking for? Sells. I was looking for sells. Basically, what I saw on US30 here was price making lower lows and lower highs. Okay, lower lows, lower highs. I always, guys, revert back to market structure. If you notice, in majority of the videos that I do, I'm looking at market structure. At the end of the day, it will never lead you in the wrong direction. I use the arrows. Okay, I don't just show these arrows just because I'm doing a breakdown video for you guys. I actually draw these as I'm looking for my trade setups. Okay, I draw my arrows. I draw my support and resistance areas all the time. And I'm looking for price to either break certain areas or respect certain areas. Okay, so in this sense, US30 was making lower lows and lower highs. So I'm like, all right, sounds good. What do I want to do now? Well, the first thing I saw, honestly, when I looked at this setup, was a fib play. I saw a really nice fib play here because I'm like, this market came down all these points over here. Price is rejecting at certain areas here. So what can I do to look for a potential position here? So basically looking at price from a fib point of view, as you can see, price had held around the 61.8% area, and then we were coming down nicely, respecting all the fib levels. Okay, we pushed down, found support, retested, support again, retested, support again, retested. Everything was adding up for the overall sell. So once I saw this forming, I said, okay, no big deal. I'm looking for price to continue all the way down, to come down to the negative 27% area, which price actually did hit the negative 27%. And that's around the area that I actually exited my positions. So what was I looking for? I was looking for price to create a low, then a high, and then break that low to continue down. So as price was creating lower lows and lower highs, I'm looking for price to come to my highs, because why? You want to sell high and buy low. So because I'm looking for my sells, I'm looking for price to come back to highs, high, 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 before looking for a sell position. Okay, so once price came around here, this is great. So what were my confluences for me to take this position? First of all, I was already looking for sells. Market structure was already telling me to look for the sell based off the lower lows and lower highs being formed. And not only that, but I was also looking for an order block to be formed and to be broken, right? Because I love taking trades from on US30 away off of order blocks, I should say, because they give me a lot more confirmation and they give me a safe place to put my TPs and my stop losses. So once price came down here, we started forming this little area here. Price ended up breaking, retesting, breaking again, grabbing liquidity, and then dropping. That was all I needed. All I needed was price to remain below around this area here for my sell bias to remain valid. The only way I'd be looking for bias, guys, is if price was to break above this area here. Okay. If price broke above here, we'd be breaking the trend line, we'd be breaking the structure, we'd be reversing off fib levels. It'd be all types of confirmations telling me to look for the buy continuations. But until then, even if price had come above inside this area here, all right, even if the market had come above this area here and done this, and then that, it still would have been valid for the sells. Okay, as long as you don't have a break of structure, guys, you're good for sells. If you're looking for a certain trade, if structure is not broken, especially on your higher time frames, is not broken, then that trade idea is still very valid. It's still very valid. So keep that in mind as well. The market can do whatever it wants to do. It's up to you to find that patience for you to be able to execute on the trade and to have confidence to hold your position. All right, now I got out of the trade around this area here, but as you guys can see, the market actually continued to drop after that. All right, so would have been nice to continue catching this move here for it to continue down, but that's okay. A win is a win. You got to be okay with what the market gives you. And as a scalper, you guys know I'm very good with that kind of thing. Okay, so at the end of the day, follow your market structure. Place your fibs if you use fibs. If you need your trend line, you could use it if you like. If you need to use your arrows to identify structure and directional bias, do that. Use everything you can to help you come up with all the confluences that you need to confirm your trade idea, so that you can get yourself a good trade and know when to get in, know when to get out. Don't be greedy. Don't be trying to catch 500, 1,000, 3,000 points every single day. It's not going to happen. Okay, take what the market gives you, come back to trade another day. The objective is to play the long game. Okay, this is not a sprint, it is a marathon. You're coming into this to trade every day, not trying to catch home runs every single day. Take what the market gives you, and I promise you the home runs will come. The home runs will come, but you got to take the little bad hits along the way. All right, guys, so again, I hope you guys learned something out of these videos. I know these are quick breakdowns, but I do drop a lot of information in them. If you're interested in learning from me, my course link is in the description box below. The secret strategy class, I'm coming out with new dates. I think I'm releasing them today, later on today on my Instagram. So go ahead and take a look at that if you're interested in learning about that strategy. But other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. I keep it super simple. I give you guys all the value that you need, and I help traders succeed every single day. All right, it's very, very hard. You know, coming out and putting out this value for you guys, and wanting you guys to succeed. I'm trying to give out as much as I can without, you know, giving too much. But at the end of the day, the value that I drop in these videos is enough to help anybody. I get DMs, emails from you guys all the time, thanking me and telling me how much these little gems help you guys out. So I'm going to try to come out with as many of them as possible. Maybe even make a little series out of it to help you guys succeed even more with your trading. All right, guys. But other than that, that's it. That's all I have for you guys today. I'll be coming out with more setups this week. We'll see about tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be an NFP Friday, so we'll see what NFP holds. But other than that, you guys be good. Drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys on the next setup. And as always, it's your girl, SIMPLEFX, your favorite female trader. Peace out.